Hi, it's Doug again here for another home tour. Today we're at 11096 241A Street in Maple Ridge. We're viewing this modern farmhouse. It's a 5-bedroom, 5.5 bath. It's 3,702 square feet on a 5,393 square foot lot. It's currently listed at $1,998,800. And I'd like to take the opportunity to thank the listing agent, Fayeen Grant at XP Realty, for allowing us the opportunity to showcase this home today. You'll find information about her in the description below. If you like these tours, please like and subscribe. And I do have one thing special at the very end. There's a legal 1-bedroom suite downstairs, and we'll show you that at the very end. But right now, let's go inside and take a look. Nice and cool inside this home. It has air conditioning, which is awesome today. I love the space. The front foyer, it's awesome. 10-foot ceilings. They have this vertical shiplap right here. It's very nice. Powder room for your guests here. Coat closet. You have this stairwell that goes up, beautiful staircase with a high, almost 20-foot ceiling. These floors are amazing. They're a wide plank laminate flooring. And then you come into the great room with your dining room, your living space. It's just a great space to have all their friends and family over. The entertainment in here alone is phenomenal. We come into the living area space, a great gathering spot for the whole family, especially in front of this beautiful fireplace. It has this nice ceramic tiling going around. It's a gas fireplace, and they put in the shiplap vertically as well, just like they did in the front foyer. Goes up to the high ceiling, which is 12 feet high. You have these beautiful large picture windows facing out back, looking into the garden and into the trees. And when you sit here on a cozy night, you have the fireplace going. You can have a TV above the fireplace. It's perfect for that. From the living room, we head right into the dining room, which is right here. I love this chandelier. It's beautiful. Over this table, this is a large table. You could probably put a larger table, a buffet against the window if you wanted to. And it's all open right into the kitchen. We come back here into the kitchen, and just off the kitchen is this nice balcony that faces the backyard. We also have our counter spaces along here. This is a quartz countertop. You have a built-in dishwasher, Fisher & Paykel dishwasher down here. You have a nice deep sink with a faucet facing out to the garden and to the trees. Just nice and beautiful. Over here we have a Fisher & Paykel stove. It's a 5-burner stove, and I've had one of these. They're awesome. Great hood fan, and I like the detail that they did with the wood here that matches the wood on the island and on the side where the fridge is. They have high cabinets here that go all the way up to the ceiling, so obviously you're going to put your holiday bowls and things up at the very top. This ceramic tile they put, this design in the back, very beautiful. I love that. Quartz counter again, lots of drawers. We always need lots of drawers in our kitchen. And over here, I like the fact that they put this wood tone that they have with the island and with the built-in Fisher & Paykel fridge and freezer down below. And this is your appliance garage right in here. There's plugs and outlets in the back there. You have seating here for 3 or 4 on the island. Perfect prep island. These lights they have above are just beautiful how they picked out these lights. I just love these lights. And you're looking at a 10-foot ceiling here. And another special thing is our spice kitchen that's right here. That's when you have some extra cooking you need to do. You get a Samsung oven right here and a deep sink for cleaning as well. It's a great little space to have for those holidays. While we come out of the kitchen, we go down here and there's an office or a den that's here. It's perfect for a home office and having some extra study space for the kids. Right over here, we have our entrance to our garage. We have a mudroom where everyone pack up all their things, nice built-ins with coat hangers and closets. And then your laundry, a side-by-side Samsung pair, and a countertop so you can fold your clothes. So this is a perfect little place. All right, well, coming from the main floor, we finished down here, but I did want to point out that I love these 8-inch baseboards that they have here and the fact that this house is air conditioned. It's a summer day right now and it's just perfect. I love the staircase that they have here, nice wooden treads, and every third step seems to have a light that illuminates the treads as you come down at nighttime. It's perfect for viewing and seeing where you're stepping as you go through the nighttime. At the top of the landing, there's another closet right here. We'll go down this area. The bedrooms are over here. There's one bedroom over here, a nice bright one. There's another bedroom that is over here in the middle. It's a great space. We have a family bathroom here. And over here is another big bedroom with a huge picture window that faces south. And you have a walk-in closet with a window. And you have an ensuite bathroom in this bedroom that has a stand-up shower. In the primary bedroom, it's so large, nice little getaway from the family. You have a walk-in closet over here, a large walk-in closet. You have room for a king-size bed, which there is one here right now. I love the millwork that they put in behind here with the gray feature wall. One of the things with this room, there's so much space. You can have a chair here if you'd like, but they put a shelf here that you can actually sit on, maybe put some cushions and look outside and check out the view, and I can actually see the mountains there. It has a peaked roof here, peaked ceiling, I should say, with a beautiful chandelier up top. And then let's go into the primary bathroom. In the primary bathroom, it's so large in here, a lot of space. You have a quartz countertop with double sinks, under-mounted sinks, of course, Kohler sinks. I like these mirrors a lot. These are great. And these sconces that they put in here, great choice. There's a standalone tub with a faucet and a shower wand. And you have a stand-up shower, frameless stand-up shower, nice space, nice size. Well, here we are in the basement level. There's a utility room here with a furnace and hot water tank. And it is a rec room and bonus room here. It could be a media room as well, but they have this bar set up here with a little bar sink, quartz countertop. They have this floating shelving up here, and it looks like they have some lights on here too. A lot of cabinet space and a space for a dishwasher to be put in here. You also have a full bathroom here as well with a shower and tub, a closet space with storage underneath the stairs. And this is a great media space. You have a nice big screen TV. Do whatever you want down here. Here's the bonus one-bedroom legal suite I told you about that we're going to see. It's a legal one-bedroom suite. And again, it has the laminate hardwood flooring that's throughout the home. You have a nice window that faces out to the back garden. You still have a great view. Place to put a dining room here perhaps, or maybe even put your kitchen table here because you have a large kitchen. You have quartz counters here, a space for a dishwasher, deep mounted sink, a lot of cupboards. You have a nice stove right here, a Whirlpool stove, and you have your fridge. Again, this is a perfect place, good size one-bedroom suite. You have one bedroom right here, a lot of closet space with closet organizers. The bathroom's here with a deep tub, quartz counter, undermount sink, and you also have laundry facilities on this level for the one-bedroom suite as well. Well, that's the end of our tour today. It's a big home, and it's brand new construction. And with brand new construction comes a 2, 5, 10-year home warranty. Plus, there's GST that has to be paid on this. And because it's well over $450,000, the GST is 5%. If you want more information about this home, contact the listing agent, Fayeen Grant from XP Realty. Her information is in the description below. If you like these tours, please like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. And following this video, you can learn a little more information about mortgaging and financing this home with a mortgage helper. Just follow the link up above here, and we'll see you on the next tour.